Hey guys, welcome back to Python Coding with Nathan. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Python, so let's get started. First go to www.python.org. Next go to the download section and select the latest version, then click save. Once saved, run the file. And it is imperative that you select add Python to path, and then click install now. After installing Python, to check that Python is installed correctly, go to your command prompt and type in Python. You should get the Python version here, and just to test Python out, let's do a simple command. Print, and then in brackets put the speech marks, and then let's print hello world. And you should get hello world back. If this works, then you are good to go. Next, we might want to install an editing software for our code. So go to your preferred editor. Mine is Visual Studio Code, so I'll be using this. Then click download and select which version and save the file. Then let's run it. I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. And I would like to do this, but you do not have to. Next, install. You could use other tools such as PyCharm and Anaconda 2 if you would like. They are great tools as well. Now finish. You can launch it if you would like. You should be able to start coding. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing.